I get this question all the time. Can you really change your JumpTask wallet address? And the simple answer is yes, you can, but with a lot of repercussions. And that is why in this video I'll be walking you through how to change your JumpTask wallet address step by step, and you are going to see why it is a waste of time. My name is John from Ask JOFA. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. But first, let me walk you through how to change your JumpTask wallet address. This video is going to be a real demo. I'll be using this JumpTask profile for this demonstration. For you to know the details of this JumpTask profile, if you click here, you can see the user ID here is Learn with Ask JOFA. If you scroll down, the wallet address that is attached to this JumpTask profile ends with CE94. You can see if you come here, the wallet connected to that JumpTask profile page is MetaMask wallet. The wallet address ends with CE94. So this is where all my earnings comes to. The next thing we want to do now is to connect a new wallet address to this profile page. And for you to do that, there are some important things that you must know and observe. Let me show you. You can see before you connect a new wallet to your JumpTask profile page, these are key important information that you need to know. The first point you need to know is that the balance cannot be transferred from the old wallet to the new wallet. You can see you cannot move your existing JumpTask balance. The second point you need to know is that for you to cash out the old balance or the existing balance on your old wallet address, you will always need the old wallet address. The third point you must know is that you can only do this, that is changing your JumpTask wallet address to a new one. You can only do that using the web just like this. You cannot use JumpTask app for this. It will not work. Then fourthly, ensure you attach it to BSC or Celo network address. Since you now know the conditions and the requirements, so for you to change this wallet address that ends with CE94 from this JumpTask profile, you have to log out. To log out, you scroll down, you tap log out. You can see this is what is expected. You log out from your current session, you select connect with wallet, and you choose your new wallet address. So to do that, we've already logged out. Since I want to change to a new wallet address, because my JumpTask profile is already attached to a wallet address and I want to change it, I'm to use connect with wallet. I will click connect with wallet. Now, before you click that connect with wallet, ensure you've downloaded your choice of wallet that you want to use. The one I'm going to use now is Trust Wallet, this wallet. You have to set it up. You can open it on another page of the windows that you are using. As soon as you tap connect with new wallet, different options will show up, and you can see I have this one already installed as an extension, and this is what I'm going to use. I will tap on this Trust Wallet, and you can see it is already handshaking with it. All you just need to do is to click confirm. You can see it has opened up. You can see we've attached a new wallet address. You'll be expecting to see your normal profile page. You will not. That is the challenge. Look at it. This is a new JumpTask profile that is thrown at us. This is the new wallet address that I just attached. Look at it. It ends with 659A. Let me show you. This is Trust Wallet we attached to the JumpTask profile as new wallet. We already select the network to be BNB Smart Chain. If you select BNB, you want to see the wallet address that is going to receive our earnings from JumpTask platform. You click this one. Look at it. 65. You can see 659A. You can see 659A. Instead of the new wallet address we connected to browse directly to the old JumpTask profile, is going to give you a brand new JumpTask profile page with a new username. The implication of that is that you are losing your account ID. Of course, you cannot have access to your old balance anymore. Then the history and your statistics of your activities on JumpTask, let me show you. This is the new JumpTask profile page that we just opened, if you come down to see your activities, everything, there's nothing here, is 0. Maybe you invite a lot of people to JumpTask platform using your JumpTask referral link. All those will be limited to the old JumpTask profile. You cannot access them on the new JumpTask that you just changed to. And suppose you also attach your account ID. This is your account ID. If you attach it to Honeygain, for you to be able to get your earnings from Honeygain inside your JumpTask platform, look at this account ID. It starts with this 796. If I go back to my old JumpTask account, let me come here. I sign out. Let me log in with my Gmail to the old JumpTask profile page. You can see this is my balance. Look at my account ID. This is the account ID I attached to my Honeygain that makes sure that my earnings from Honeygains comes to this place. And you can see all my statistics and earnings. All this you are seeing that different payments I've received. You cannot see that after you've changed to a new wallet address. This is why it's not worth it changing to JumpTask new wallet address. It costs you a lot. You are not going to have access to the history of your earnings. All your referral earnings, you won't be able to get them again. Though you can still have access to them, but you won't be able to get them in the new JumpTask profile. And your earning history, your Honeygain links, and all the linked data and third-party activities that you are doing on JumpTask will stay with the old one. You can now see why you don't need to change your JumpTask wallet address. In case you have other reasons why you need to change your JumpTask wallet address, I'd love to know that. Do me a favor, drop your comment below the description of this video. I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.